I'm almost out of data. Not good. I gotta find somewhere I can connect to their Wi-Fi. That cafe seems like it should have Wi-Fi. Excuse me, can I use the Wi-Fi here?
Welcome. We have free Wi-Fi here.
Great! I'll have a coffee and a Wi-Fi.
Oh, sure. Wi-Fi?
I see you've got lots of weird gadgets and machines here in this cafe. What the deal with this?
Weird machines? These are all old communication devices. I collect them as a hobby. Notice how your smartphone uses wireless communications too. These are inventions related to that technology.
Oh.
You see those portraits over there? They're the great discoverers and inventors behind the wireless communications we know today. You've got your handy smartphone now thanks to their great minds.
Oh, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi here now.
Zero interest, I see. The Wi-Fi here sometimes experiences some strange interference. Please be mindful of that. We do have many devices here and all.
Huh? My phone's ringing. Aren't these the men in those portraits?
Don't be ridiculous. They left this world a century or so ago now.
Wait, what's happening then?
Hello. 3 heads are better than 1. No? We were conducting an experiment to see if our world could communicate with the present world. And it looks like we've succeeded.
I'm not really following. Are you saying that you're calling from the afterlife? What's this being charged as? An international call? Is this really okay?
I believe your concerns are misplaced.
I don't even know who these old guys are.
Oh, would you like to know? We'll gladly introduce ourselves.
James Clerk Maxwell, United Kingdom.
I am James Clerk Maxwell. My equations are what paved the way for the foundations of electromagnetism. I predicted the existence of electromagnetic waves using my equation and also proposed that light is an electromagnetic phenomenon.
Heinrich Hertz, Germany. I am Heinrich Hertz. I proved the existence of electromagnetic waves themselves. I was also the one who observed the photoelectric effect, which would eventually lead to Albert Einstein receiving a Nobel Prize for successfully describing it. Guglielmo Marconi, Italy.
I am Guglielmo Marconi. I created a particle radio wave-based wireless telegraph system based on Maxwell's theories and Hertz observation of electromagnetic waves. Both great achievements. I also make long-distance wireless communication a reality. Following this, I founded a company and started a business to help popularize wireless communications throughout society.
Oh dear. Here's a simple explanation. Maxwell predicted the existence of radio waves through his equations. Hertz's experiments proved their existence. And Marconi made wireless communications using radio waves possible.
I see. I would have understood all that if you'd just said so from the get-go. So, you're saying that radio waves aren't even that new? You old geezers are pretty impressive.
Old geezer?
It may be commonplace today, but nobody even believed it in the existence of radio waves back in our day. We've got Hertz here to thank for his experiments that proved it all.
Not at all. I have your marvelous thesis to thank for it.
Actually, you mentioned that you didn't know what radio waves could be used for and that there wasn't any use for them at present when you proved my theory through your experiments. Isn't that right, Hertz?
Egot!
Which means that wireless technology probably wouldn't have developed had it not been for Marconi's commercializing it. I was only able to do so thanks to you and Hertz achievements.
My word, I cannot believe my ears.
Really?
While the internet is connected worldwide today, the first wireless communications were Morse code signals sent and retrieved over the distance for only 2 kilometers.
Morse code?
The communication method used dots and dashes, or dits and das.
I imagine it would be difficult to grasp using just words. So with that, let's go on a journey to learn the history behind wireless communications by making use of a contraption we invented. We have arrived in England at around the year 90s. Wire communications were the norm here, and people were wary of wireless communications. No matter where I proposed my technology, I was met with negative response. So I turned my attentions to communications between ships. Because it was not possible for ships at sea to communicate using wired communications, wireless communications was only possible a short distance to begin with, but I successfully communicated across continent a year later. Wireless communications were even used during the sinking of the Titanic in 1912. Approximately 700 lives were saved thanks to the distress signals sent via Morse code. This incident was said to be the first example of people being saved through SOS calls.
And that sums up the history and main events leading up to modern wireless communications.
Wow.
By golly, our successors have invented such marvelous things.
So that's the history behind these smartphones that we use every day now.
That's right. Seems all the more fantastical now, don't you think?
Do you want to speak to them a little more? They're your idols, aren't they?
There's so much I would like to ask, but I never would have expected to be given this opportunity in my lifetime, so I don't know where to begin.
We would love to learn about the communication working behind those contraptions you call smartphones.
Indeed, audio transmission was possible back in our day, but I'm highly intrigued by the technology involved in transmitting images wirelessly.
Perhaps we should keep in regular contact from here on. We could even reach out to other people in this world.
Please do!
Hold up. This is my phone we're talking about here. I can't keep having people calling from the afterlife.
Then would you like to work here? Food and drinks are on the house if you do.
But I don't really come around here often. Can you call someone else?
It was pure coincidence that we connected to your device.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We may not get another call from their world.
Oh. My battery just died. I'll let you know if they call again.
Please, you must. And so, our unlikely duo learned about the history of wireless communications through their extremely mysterious experience. You might be the lucky recipient of a phone call from Historical Grades too, if you happen to visit Villagefield.